Puerto Rico student rescues 90 birds from Hurricane Maria. 0023. A student in Puerto Rico used her house as a refuge for 90 birds displaced by Hurricane Maria as it ripped through the country, causing immense damage to habitats and homes. The Twitter user, who goes by the name Michelle H., says she wanted to rescue one bird she saw stranded during the storm. She took the animal into her house, along with some branches and leaves, only to be moved by the plight of more displaced birds. Eventually, her house was full of them, sheltering during the hurricane. When it was over, she let them fly free, to rebuild their nests or find a new home, safe from the winds of Maria. Michelle documented the adventure on Twitter. She said, "It all started because I wanted to save one bird. Yes, most of them are injured. I had some gloves and shared them to friends." Michelle H. at MICHKPOP 16 September 20, 2017. The birds she saved were lucky. She said that after the storm, she saw many dead birds on the floor who did not survive the hurricane after trees were felled and they were battered by the strong winds. Now, after the storm, the ones which are well enough to fly have been going home, one by one.